along with the 80D, Canon's released a new 18-135 image stabilized nano USM lens. There's a detachment at the bottom, which looks like a power module. Dave, first off, tell us about the lens and what's nano USM.
Okay, so nano USM is a new piece of technology. We haven't had this before, so this is the first lens to have this.
Right.
It's a type of USM motor. Now, the normal USM most people are familiar with, so that's the one that works really, really well for focusing on fast-moving subjects, really can track subjects really, really well. The only problem with that is that it makes it quite difficult when you're shooting movies,
right?
Because you don't get such a smooth focus. So we introduced STM a few years ago. And the idea of that is that gives you really good movie shooting as well as still shooting. Now, what we're finding is that if you are using a very, very fast moving camera, so something that runs at 7, 8, 10 frames a second or something like that, the STM can have a difficulty in trying to keep up with these fast moving subjects. So what we've done is we've now got nano USM, which is great for stills photography as well as movie photography. So it'll give you really smooth pull focus and really smooth tracking on your focus, but also we'll be able to keep up with the very, very fast cameras as well.
Okay, and then I guess the question is going to be this block on the bottom. Can you explain what this is to us? Because this is very interesting and very new.
Yeah, so this is a power zoom adapter on the bottom, which is designed at the moment only to go with this lens, and it uses electrical contacts to talk to the lens and talk to the camera. Now, the idea of this is that you can basically zoom the camera in and out just by moving this toggle here. So if I move that, you can see there the lens is zooming in and then the lens is zooming out. You can vary the speed of this as well, and you can also turn it off if you want to use manual zoom. So it really helps with the videography that you can really do a smooth pull as well as having the dual pixel CMOS AF, which will give you the smooth focus as well. What I really like about this is because it talks to the camera, you can control this through Wi-Fi. Okay. So using our Canon Connect app, not only can you control the camera, but you can also control this power zoom adapter as well, which will work just as well for stills as for movie. So you could set this camera up, say for instance, outside a nest or something like that. You set this camera up and then you can control the zoom as well as controlling the camera to be able to get the composition right and get the shots that you want.
So is there Wi-Fi built into this, or is it using the Wi-Fi in the camera?
No, it uses the Wi-Fi inside the camera, but there's electrical contacts. If I just take it off, I click this, it'll come off like that. And as you can see, there's electrical contacts there. So they talk to each other, and then the lens talks to the power zoom adapter, and the lens talks to the camera as well. They all communicate to give you the best functionality possible.
And this obviously detaches. Is this going to be always with the lens, or is this going to be a separate unit?
No, this is a separate unit, so you can buy this if you want to use it. If not, you can just use this new nano USM lens completely separately on its own like this. But as I said, it's got the contacts underneath, so if you did decide at a later date, you could then purchase one of these.
There's some exciting things coming from Canon, and it's going to be changing the way a lot of people use their technology in cameras. So no, this is all very cool and we like it. So yeah, thanks for seeing us again.
No problem, thank you.
And we hope to see you soon.
Thank you.